Yeah, I had to go into praise and worship because the devil think he's going to rule over what God blessed me with, and I'm not gonna tolerate that. I control what God blessed me with, not a fucking witch like this little witch bitch over here now. Okay, I control, not a devil bird, not a witch bitch, but I control, bitch. Not you. Well, you got your ass behind there, waiting for a nigga to come back. I control my stars. I control my moon, my stars. Whatever God blessed me with, rewarded me with, whatever came with my, look at them, y'all. They just acting a damn fool. This bitch over here, this bitch over there. You better get up on my ass, cause I'll break on your ass. On my ass. Bitch over here, bitch over there. You got a damn army, America, on one nigga. And you still losing.